In this video, I'll be showing you how to download Roblox Studio on PC and laptop. Start by opening the Start menu, then search for Roblox Studio. If you see Roblox Studio, then select it and it will begin to install. This is because Roblox Studio often comes with a Roblox player app, just not installed. Alternatively, go to the Roblox website and sign in if you aren't already, then click the Create button at the top. You can also go to More, then select Create in the Roblox app to get here. Go down to where it says Get Roblox Studio, then click the Download button. Wait for the installer to download, then open the Download Manager and choose to Show in Folder or Open File Location. Double-click on the Roblox Studio installer file, then wait for the installation to complete. Once done, Roblox Studio should open and you will be signed in already if you've got the Roblox app. If you aren't, then you will need to log in or create an account. You now know how to download Roblox Studio on PC and laptop. Please leave a like if you found the video helpful.